Hey guys, welcome back to Everyone's Archery. This subject right here came up about making a 3D stool. I was walking through Walmart and seeing one of their stools. You've seen the people at 3D shoots and stuff like that carrying around the archery stool with the arrows on the side of it and everything. But not everybody can afford those, of course. They're like well, the really nice ones are, over $100. Some's for $60 and everything. But, you can take one of the regular camouflage stools that has the bag in it for, $7 to $9 from Walmart or Bass Pro or somewhere like that, and just get 2 pieces PVC pipe with 2 ends. These are extra ones I had at the house laying around, so I figured I'll do a video of it. They're 1.25 inch pipe. They're about 18 inches long, around 18 inches long. So all I'm going to do is just use these and some zip ties I have laying around. I don't even have long ones. I just got some small ones that I put together and some black tape, and see how that goes. Okay. All right. So let me get off the chair and start doing this, and I'll show you how to do it. All right, here we go. As you can see, this is the little $7 one and everything. I think I got this one at Bass Pro. As you can see, it's got a big bag inside of it. This is what we usually carry with us, or I usually carry with me when I do the WA Summer Series. I usually carry this and freeze some water bottles and put it inside the pouch and then drink from them most of the day. Okay, and some snacks and stuff like that. If you want to, you can put your tools in it, whatever. So as you can see, this is all I got: PVC pipe and my zip ties that, well, I don't even have one long enough, so I had to splice them together to do it. Okay, so it's really easy to do. All it is trusty knife. All right. Then I just use black tape to cover it up. Usually I use black or duct tape, but I don't have any duct tape with me right now, so I'm just going to use black tape, electrical tape. And as you see, that's basically it. If you want to, you can put one in the center. And there you go. Now all you got to do is do the other side, and that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then show you what it looks like when I'm done. Okay. All right. I can see I finished doing the other side and everything. It looks pretty, pretty good and everything. As you see, I got 1, 2, I got 5 arrows right here. These are my daughter's CXL Pro 150s with 4-inch feathers on it. And it's got a right helical. I don't know if you can see it or not. But this is what she shoots 3D and indoors with and everything. And as you can see, that's goes in there with no problem at all. Now you can put arrows. You can split your arrows up if you want to and put them on that side if you get a damaged one or whatnot. Or you can do what other people do, and they put their umbrella on the other side. So if it starts raining, they can grab their umbrella where they won't get wet, or well, where their bow will not get wet. But that's it. The other thing is, if you want to, you can get a real cheap, cooler, one of those little coolers or something, and you can stick it right in there too to keep your stuff cool if you want to do it that way. But this is what I usually take with me whenever we go to summer series and stuff like that, because you don't really have that much time to sit down between rounds. If you shoot and then someone turns around and shoots after you, then you only have what, 6 minutes, maybe 6 minutes at all to sit down between. So I just grab this and take it with me. All right, so please like and subscribe and everything, and if you have any comments about this or any way to make it better, usually on the bottom of them, I usually drill holes in the bottom just in case let water out or sand or something. Sand will come out of it while you're walking. Okay, so that's about it. So just hit the like and subscribe buttons. If you have any comments, put them below. If you have any videos you would like to see or any questions, feel free to ask them. So until next time, take it easy.